So this is a video on how to find the slope from a graph. So you can clearly see we have a line that has been graphed for us. We've got a couple points. We've got the point 5, 3, and we've got the point 10, 9. I have a separate video on how to find the slope using a formula, so feel free to check that out at any time. But if you're looking to find the slope from a graph, the easiest thing that I know how to do is to try to imagine a vertical line going up from one point, do a little bit better than that, and a horizontal line coming from the other point, and it gives you this triangle here. And that triangle is going to consist of two important pieces and then the line itself. And now the green part of that starts at a height of 3 and ends at a height of 9. So if we start at 3 and end at 9, we've gone up 3. We've gone up 6. And then puts us at this point here, which is at an x value of 5. And we're going to go all the way to 10, which is a change of right 5. Now, if you understand what slope is the same as rise over run. It's a good conceptual understanding of it. And if you look at our picture, we're rising from 3 to 9. So we're rising 6 and we're running 5. Now, both of those are positive. So we're going to go a plus 6 and a plus 5, which we don't even have to show. So we get a slope of 6/5. Now on a different graph, we might have a negative slope. And we might start at, let's say 1, 1, 4, and be going to 5, 1. So if this were our line, again, we have a couple options here. I can go down, looks like down 3. And then I could go right 4. In that case, my slope would be negative 3 over 4. Now, if I started at the rightmost point here, I could reverse that. I'm gonna always put my rise first. I'm gonna rise and run. But if I go in the opposite direction, if I go up and then left, I should end up with the same slope because it's the same line. So if I went up 3, I would then have to go left 4, which is a negative 4. So my rise would be positive 3, and my run would be negative 4, which are the same number. So in either case, I get the slope of negative 3/4. And that is finding the slope from a graph.